Bloom Energy, a leading renewable energy and hydrogen company, has successfully generated clean hydrogen from the world's largest solid oxide electrolyzer installation, demonstrating the commercial readiness and efficiency of their technology for large-scale hydrogen production. This high-temperature, high-efficiency unit produces 20 to 25% more hydrogen per megawatt than commercially demonstrated lower-temperature electrolyzers such as PEM or alkaline. The 4 MW Bloom Electrolyzer delivers over 2.4 metric tons per day of hydrogen output, demonstrating the speed and ease of deployment. Even at 5% of rated load, the energy efficiency was as good or better than other electrolyzer technologies at their 100% rated capacity. Dr. Ravi Prasher, Chief Technology Officer of Bloom Energy, stated, "With Bloom's high-efficiency, high-temperature solid oxide electrolyzers, we are one step closer to a decarbonized future powered by low-cost clean hydrogen." Bloom's leading solid oxide platform for distributed generation of electricity and hydrogen is changing the future of energy, delivering lower carbon energy today and a net zero future. Shares of Bloom Energy trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BE. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.